guys, hope you all are doing great. And I know मैंने बहुत दिनों से कोई वीडियो शॉट नहीं किया है and आप लोग बहुत सोच रहे होंगे क्या हुआ, what is happening. I was too occupied in a lot of things, I don't know what. But yeah, I'll be back soon. And जैसे कि मैंने कल एक ऑनलाइन वीडियो शूट किया है, ऑनलाइन क्लास लिया था with Air Black Beauty, so I'm posting that. Show some love and also motivate me. Thank you. Keep watching and also subscribe to my channel. As you all know, prepping is must, for every type of skin. अगर आपने prepping नहीं करी तो आपका base flawless नहीं लगेगा. So you know that कि मैं prepping जो जिन्होंने मुझसे मेरे साथ follow किया है last class में, तो they know कि मैं prepping करती हूँ. But अभी उनका अच्छे से हमने moisturize करना है, तो we'll do moisturizing now with a toner and also a moisturizer we'll use on her face and neck, but the final prepping we'll do after the eye makeup. Okay, so always make sure your face should be clean. अगर उनका face washed भी है, then also I try to wipe her face.
Did she have anything on her face?
Nothing like that.
It's a natural revival.
Yeah. She's having a beautiful skin.
Yes, flawless skin.
So अगर आप सोचो कि आपने फेस वॉश किया है और आधे घंटे बाद आपको मेकअप करना है, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑलवेज कि आप हमेशा फेस वाइप ज़रूर करो, बिकॉज डस्ट सेटलमेंट हो जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल बी यूजिंग अ रोज टोनर, एनी रोज वाटर. आई एम यूजिंग TNW का रोज वाटर. ये थी आपने नेक पे लगा दो. तो लेट इट सेट फॉर 2 more minutes. अपने आप अब्जॉर्ब होने दो, ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. पर अगर आपको जल्दी है तो यू कैन डैब विद अ पेपर टिश्यू ऑल्सो. आपको नेक पे लगा.
What is the skin type that your model has, Tonu?
What is the skin type? Yeah, skin type. Combination. T-zone is oily little.
Yeah.
And combination skin. Dry to combination. Her cheekbones are dry.
Okay. Got it.
So we are applying the moisturizer properly on her neck also.
Okay. I think that's an important step.
Yeah,
right?
actually.
Okay, got it. Komal also can the ladies use baby wipes?
Yeah, I am also using this skincare baby wipes. It's perfectly fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then Preet, don't worry, she's not yet used a moisturizer. She used a toner, which is from TNW. I've already mentioned it in the comment section.
Yeah.
Right?
I'll moisturize her face little ताकि उसकी जो ड्राइनेस है ना वो थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेट हो जाए स्किन. So I'll be using this Cetaphil का moisturizer. इनको ब्रश देना.
Yes. So, okay, and what did you apply on the neck?
The same moisturizer Cetaphil.
Cetaphil. Okay, Cetaphil was applied. Yes, move right across. Also, Komal, could you tell us like what type of toners are out there in the market and how do you use them?
See, any of the mist you can use, like spray-based mist. Those are more comfortable and also refreshing for your clients also. So it naturally glows your skin. Any type of mist you can use. If you don't have, you can use a normal rose water also with a cotton pad. You can use. See, अगर आप self कर रहे हो, you can use your fingers to massage your face. But if you're doing on a client, make sure थोड़ा hygiene level maintain हो, तो use always a brush to moisturize. वैसे तो hands ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, but due to COVID, we have a lot of restrictions for doing makeup also. Otherwise, अगर आप hand से करते हैं तो अच्छा warmth मिलता है face में, skin में.
Right. Okay, and for brides, do we do the back arms and waist makeup?
Yeah. Back also you saying na?
Yes.
Yeah, back is for brides we do prepping the same way. For the back also, on the stomach area also. Just a moisturizer. Then after, whenever you want to put base with the oil, any good face glass oil, you can just start doing the foundation for the back and the tummy area.
Got it.
Okay.
And which brushes are you using?
Okay, I'll tell. अभी मैंने brush पूरा free है. I'd use Pack-Ka 307. This is a foundation brush I usually use for my clients to apply oil, for face moisturizer, anything like that.
Okay, perfect.
So I now applied moisturizer properly. तब तक इनकी स्किन में अच्छे से absorb हो जाएगा. Till then I'm using that. I'm doing eye makeup. So we'll start with the eye makeup now. Okay, girls.
Perfect.
So okay, I'll be using Kryolan ka this bridal palette for her eye base, and brush I'm using this Pack-Ka 081. This is a concealer brush and it applies very evenly. So I'm starting with this shade for her eye makeup. Kryolan palette, yes. Name is bridal palette. आप ना फेस स्ट्रेट रखो, आप मेरे को मत देखो, उधर देखोगे और लगेगा तो अपने आईज को देखो.
Akansha, we did apply moisturizer. It's the Cetaphil, so even you can apply
स्ट्रेट
moisturizer.
ये सेटिंग परफेक्ट है. मुझे थोड़ा सा सीधा होना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ एक बार, हल्का सा पकड़ेंगे. स्ट्रेट अपने आईज को देखना, स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा फेस. ठीक है. यदि वहाँ पे ना इधर बात कर ले, वो क्लास में है, वो नहीं बात कर पाएंगे. Okay, now with the loose powder, I'm using this K Beauty translucent powder, and always try to, आप eyes close रखो बेटा. Always try to set your base with a loose powder. Okay? अब जैसे इन्होंने eyes खोल लिया था तो वो crease line already आ चुकी है, तो we need a beauty blender again. कहाँ है beauty blender? यहाँ है beauty blender सारे. So I'll dab it again. Don't ever let your client open the eye till then. आप जब तक सेट नहीं कर रहे हो, नहीं तो वो क्रीज लाइन क्रिएट हो जाती हैं. प्लीज खोलना नहीं है. And I'm using this fluffy brush from Pack 215 and just setting her eyes. Make sure you always set your eye base, otherwise वो इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, क्रीज लाइन क्रिएट होती रहेगी.
And then also, Komal, the beauty blender, was it damp?
Yeah, it was damp beauty blender.
Okay.
Always, whenever you're doing makeup, you have to damp your beauty blender and keep it aside firstly. This is a rule. Always use a damp beauty blender, not the dry one. उससे वो effect ही नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
I hope everything is clear till now.
Yes, yes. Just one question about. So, do they need to use an orange corrector before the base? That you just.
For eye base, no need. If until if she's having a dark circles or something like that, अगर आपके dark circles हैं या client की dark circle, then थोड़ा सा correction के लिए आप dark concealer करोगे, then do a light one. Dark corrector, not the orange one for the eyes. Dark corrector, any good dark concealer, dark color. Like it should be too dark, tan color, sort of sand, tan, ये वाले shades के.
Okay, perfect. And also, ladies, she used the Kryolan conceal palette, so she's not applied an eyeshadow, so don't worry about it. I mentioned it in the comment section as well. Yes. Haha, the model looks like Bella Brooke.
नहीं नहीं इसके पीछे वाली. This one. Okay, so now we are coming with the eyeshadows. So we are using Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, Huda Beauty का Desert Dusk. ये सबसे पुरानी पैलेट है बट अच्छी चलती है काफ़ी. So always I suggest my students to try using nude colors for your crease line first. निकली आपको आगे यहाँ आ जाओ पकड़ के. So I'm just using this blending brush from CS Essential and just applying it on the crease line. थोड़ा सा डेप्थ क्रिएट हो जाता है. वेरी स्मूथली, बहुत आगे से हमें प्रेस करके नहीं करना है, बहुत इजीली सॉफ्टली हमें करना है.
Also, Komal,
Yeah.
before you move forward, could you give us a quick recap as some of them had network issues? So they did not.
Sorry?
Could you give us a quick recap of what you did? Because some of them joined later.
Okay, girls. So we've just moisturized her face and neck. Firstly, we used a moisturizing toner. Then we applied Cetaphil moisturizer on her face and neck. Then after that, I just started with the eye base. I used this Krylon का palette, bridal palette, and this brush pack 081. इससे मैंने बेस किया. Then मैंने बेस को आई बेस किया. सिर्फ आई बेस को मैंने सेट किया लूज पाउडर से. Now I am starting with the eyeshadow.
Okay, perfect. And can you show us the color once again?
Yeah, so I'm using this nude tint of the palette just to enhance a crease line.
Okay, and can you also speak once again about the dark concealer and corrector which you spoke about?
Yeah, for eyes, if you are wondering कि हमें डार्क कंसीलर लगाना है, ऑरेंज करेक्टर लगाना है, अगर किसी के डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, देन ओनली यू नीड अ डार्कर कंसीलर लाइक टैन और सैंड, देन अप्लाई अ लाइटर वन अबव इट. You don't need any orange corrector for your eye base.
Okay.
Yeah. So मैंने क्रीज लाइन में थोड़ा सा अच्छे से लगा दिया है, उससे ब्लेंड कर दिया है. Now I'll go with a little darker tone, which is this one. This is a saffron shade. Okay, I'm taking it, I'm just dabbing it, excess one from the brush, and on the outer sides I'm just blending it.
And they want the model a little more close so they are able to see.
I can't make it more closer because you know she's sitting and we are having a table here.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Don't worry, ladies, we will do a close up later on.
थोड़ा सा आप ऐसे हो जाओगे तुम सेट. हाँ ऐसे आराम से
Thank
थोड़ा
you
सा.
so much.
अब ठीक है. I hope this is fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now मैंने जो थोड़ा saffron color मैंने डेप्थ में लगाया है, तो I'm just blending it with it. To create a smoky smudged effect, na? With the same saffron color.
Yes.
आगे बना बेटा थोड़ा सा. अब ठीक है, आप कम और 1 मिनट. ठीक है, आगे है, सही है. Now I think she's too close.
Yes, now it's much better.
So with the same product, I am not taking more and I am just blending it. Because we are doing a festive look, so we don't need to put more colors. We're just taking 1 or 2 shades, okay? Because हमें इतना ओवर भी नहीं करना है कि एकदम ब्राइडल लुक लगे, हमें सटल रखना है. So again I'd use this saffron shade and just on the other eye, same process. I'm just dabbing it here on the outer corner and here, and just blending it with the same brush.
Perfect. Yes, ladies, don't worry. We'll show you the shades once again. Don't worry.
First we took this nude color from the same palette. This is desert sand nude color, just to create a crease line. Then I use this saffron color. That's it. अभी तक मैंने और कुछ नहीं यूज किया है. ठीक है गर्ल्स.
The palette name is Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty Desert Sand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Always try to blend this part, otherwise आपका blending अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर वो आई मेकअप में ना लुक नहीं आएगा. You can make it till here also.
I hope everyone is following, ladies.
Comfortable है ना? कैन सी द ब्लेंडिंग, इट्स टू सॉफ्ट एंड सटल. हमें ओवर प्रोडक्ट लेना ही नहीं है, बहुत थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट लेना है. ओके गर्ल्स.
Yes.
Now I'm using this Huda Beauty की Mercury palette. To enhance again I'm using a lighter tone center में लगाने के लिए, ताकि थोड़ा सा और enhanced look आ जाए.
And is this a shimmery color?
No, it's a matte color. Firstly I'll give a matte shade to so that it enhances the eye makeup.
Yes, Mahi, after the saffron shade, she took like a matte shade from the Huda Beauty Mercury palette, and besides that, she's not done anything else.
Yeah,
Yes.
see it's a matte color, it's not a shimmer one. So that shimmer enhance करे, मैं shimmer जब लगाऊंगी तो it enhances the look.
Perfect.
It's more over a look like you know cut crease kind sort of a thing, and but हम cut crease नहीं कर रहे हैं, but ये थोड़ा subtle cut crease कह सकते हो इसको आप. So now I'll be using this pink shade from the same Mercury palette, Huda Beauty का cosmic color है ये, थोड़ा सा pinkish shimmer, और ये मैं finger tip से लगाऊंगी. ठीक है. So as it is a festive look, तो जब तक shimmer थोड़ा सा add on नहीं होगा, enhance नहीं करेगा eye makeup, बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें dab करना है, not much. Okay girls.
Yes. Okay, so it's they ask you when they use the lighter shade, like what's the
Inner side only.
side?
Always the darker on the to make the eyes bigger. अगर आपको आईज बड़ी दिखानी है तो ऑलवेज नीचे अंदर की तरफ लाइट होना चाहिए, डार्कर शेड बाहर होना चाहिए. ठीक है.
Komal,
Yeah.
what is your take on facial razors? Do they cause pigmentation?
No, it doesn't. You can use facial razor for your. It's better than waxing we do, because waxing से skin lose होती है. Facial razor कुछ harm नहीं करते हैं.
Okay, I found this on the web for facial razor. Check it out.
I think Siri is on actually. Thank you Siri.
Siri is liking your laundry.
ये बंद कैसे होगा?
And also, Komal, if the client has like a big eyes, then how do they apply the eyeshadow?
The same process. It will enhance more. This eye look can be applied on the hooded eyes as well, on the smaller eyes as well, on the bigger eyes as well. It will enhance. It is just कि अगर hooded eyes है तो आप liner बहुत thin line करोगे, and जो bigger eyes है तो आप liner मोटा कर सकते हो. वो आपको अपने हिसाब से you have to create it, because we are creating a look, right? So always makeup is an art, you know that. जितना आप creative रहोगे, जितना आप enhance करोगे natural features को, तो उतना अच्छा लगेगा.
And lastly, Komal, can you please explain once again from the Mercury palette what were the shades you used and where? Thank you so much.
I just use this Mercury palette, and the shade first I use this matte color, lighter tone to enhance the shade, then the other cosmic pink color. It's a shimmery pink color.
Perfect.
That's it. And now I'll be using this whiter tone. This is a white super moon. It's a very sparkling effect shade. I won't be using any glitter or shimmer except these. So I'll just apply it on her eyelids.
This look can be also done on deep set eyes, right?
Yeah.
And they don't have the Huda Beauty palette, so which other palette can they use?
Forever 52 they can use. They can go with any shimmer shades, any darker and lighter tone. They can mix and merge. शिमर में नॉर्मली आपके पास गोल्ड होता है, लाइट गोल्ड होता है, एंड सिल्वर तो होता ही, थोड़ा सिल्वर टोन आप वो कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा डार्क करके फिर एक लाइटर टोन कर दो तो अपने आप एनहांस कर देगा. Forever 52 you can purchase. Those are very reasonable and affordable palettes.
Perfect.
Now again with the same old brush, I'll just enhance little bit of purple shade on her outer corner to enhance the look. The same brush, blending brush, I'm just enhancing her. और थोड़ा सा ही करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. ठीक है. So I've used the same Mercury palette and I'm using this purple color to give an enhanced look. Same on the other eye. अब आप देखो थोड़ा डेप्थ आ गया है आईज में ना.
Yes. We can see the defined crease as well.
Yeah. Now again,
I think it's a medium shade of purple, right? It's
Yeah.
not dark nor light.
आप
right?
आईज के बना रहे हो?
हाँ जी
पक्का छोटी क्लोजअप वाले.
हाँ जी.
Now I'm using this brush. This is Pack 050. It's little oval sort of brush.
Okay.
फ्लफी ब्रश है. नाउ अगेन आई थोड़ा और डिफाइन करने के लिए मैं ये पर्पल कलर है इसमें वॉर्टेक्स, उससे थोड़ा सा और लाइनर लुक दूंगी इसमें. ठीक है, साइड से ही करना है कि मैंने कुछ एक लाइनर टोन किया है डार्कर. Okay. Same on the other eye. मुझे थोड़ा सा और अगर आपको आ गया ना तो प्लीज़ आके कर लो. मुझे आई मेकअप का चाहिए है थोड़ा आ गया जो इस साइड को कर लो. देख रहे हो आप, ऐसे लग रहा है मैंने थोड़ा सा लाइनर लगाया है. ठीक है.
Could you show us a close-up of her eyes right now, if possible?
या
Okay, ladies, can you see her eyes? You
क्लोज
can see the colors as
आप भी
well.
आगे आ जाओ ना.
ले ले.
नहीं आपको नहीं बोलना.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
काम.
So does the
एक
liner
बना.
need to be thick?
No, we're just giving a depth on our outer side, not much. I'll give a lighter liner also, but अभी मैं सिर्फ आई शेडो से ही डेप्थ देने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. बन गया ये वाला. लिक्विड वाला मुझे भी दो और उसमें डाला लिक्विड. लिक्विड कहाँ है?
Ladies, I hope everyone is following.
कल का कुछ नहीं होता. कल किस क्यों वेस्ट करते हो उसको? आज ही डालो. कल नहीं डालना वो.
Komal, a member said that she has a birthmark on her right eye. So how can she cover that?
Birthmark, it depends which type of birthmark is there.
Okay, I think it's a scar, right, Batul? It's just like a patch, right? Yes, it's just a patch.
Just a patch, like a black color or white color.
Which color is it, Batul? A white patch.
White patch. Then you need to like conceal it with a peach color concealer. Then you need a concealer again. With the peach process से ही हो जाएगा. Peach से conceal हो जाएगा वो. If you are a fair skin, then only. But if you're not a fair skin person, then you need a darker tone to conceal. with the same Krylon Bridal palette. एक मिनट के लिए ना प्रभी को बुलाना, बोले ये हटाना है. So now I'm using Inglot का जेल लाइनर, थोड़ा सा जेल आई के लिए. लाइनर एक बहुत पतली सी लाइन में दूंगी.
Okay, perfect.
If someone's having bluish birthmark, ब्लूइश के लिए आप ना पीच और पर्पल कर सकते हो, पर्पल से कंसील कर सकते हो. उसके बाद वो ठीक हो जाएगा. देन उसके बाद थोड़ा एक डार्कर होगा, देन लाइटर. प्रोसेस यही है, बस उसके थोड़े टाइप्स अलग अलग हो जाते हैं. बट इफ इट इज स्टिल विजिबल तो आप डार्कर कंसीलर से करने की कोशिश करो. अभी ये ना ये सीरी का ऑन आ गया, वो कैसे हटेगा? सीरी ने कुछ बोला तो ये हटने लगा. दिख ही नहीं रहा. So I'm using this Inglot का gel liner and I'm with the brush is PAC का 205. ये थोड़ा सा फ्लैट ब्रश है ऐसे. मैं उसको बस ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइनर लुक बना रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे स्मज लाइनर लुक देनी है.
Yes, Megha, I've texted you on DM about the steps since you joined later. So I've explained, just follow the steps. Komal, so sorry, can you repeat the brush name again?
It's PAC 205. This is a flat brush I'm using. I'm using this Inglot का gel liner.
What can they use instead of a gel liner?
लिक्विड लाइनर यू कैन यूज़ एनी मेबलिन का जेल लाइनर. एक काजल पेंसिल कर सकते हो कि हमें स्मजिंग इफेक्ट ही देनी है.
And they are having some difficulty with the liquid eyeliner. Is there any correct way to use it?
वाई फिर आप काजल यूज़ कर लो. गो फॉर एनी गुड नॉर्मल काजल, उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो आप. लिक्विड लाइनर की प्रैक्टिस होती है. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. आप बोलो एक बार में एक स्ट्रोक अच्छा लग जाएगा. मैं भी कभी कभी गलत लगा देती हूँ व्हेन आई एम इन अ हरी. बट यू हैव टू नो द ट्रिक्स लाइक हाउ टू अप्लाई इट. हाथ स्टेबल होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा आई स्ट्रेच होनी चाहिए. ईजी किसी और पे लगाना इज़ टू ईजी, अपने ऊपर लगाना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है. बट आप जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे आप नहीं सीख पाओगे. ओके, सो मैंने दोनों आई में बस एक पतला सा डिफाइन कर दिया है. मुझे और नहीं करना है काजल लुक, नहीं और लाइनर नहीं करना है. नाउ द लेफ्ट ओवर आई एम यूजिंग द सेम वो वाला ब्रश जो मैंने आई शेडो के लिए डार्कर के लिए यूज़ किया था, पैक का 050, एंड आई एम जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग इट हियर.
Divya said that when she applies the eyeshadow, her colors get mixed all over the eyes. So, what's going wrong over there?
Lashes पे कर दिया. You need a close-up eye look.
Yes, we can have a close-up. Wow, so subtle.
Oh, so sorry. I think something's. Hi, can you see me? I'm just so.
We see you, Komal. Don't
Okay, I
worry.
think something what I got the. Yeah, you can see now.
Wow, wow.
Both the eyes. I hope everything is clear till now.
Yes. So, ladies, all clear, right? Let's move ahead.
Yeah.
And also, could you suggest like which brushes are good for blending?
Pack brushes. पैक आई ब्रशेस यू कैन यूज़. और आजकल लंडन प्राइड के ब्रशेस बहुत चल रहे हैं. यू कैन यूज़ दैट एज वेल. एंड नाउ वी आर कमिंग अप टू लैशेस. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस लैश फ्रॉम CS Essential. This is Kylie. These are very light natural effect lashes.
And when it comes to blending, do they need to use the same brush to blend the outer corners?
Yeah, you can. It depends. लाइक जो मैंने वही ब्रशेस रिपीटेडली यूज़ किए हैं, जो लेफ्ट ओवर होता है ब्रिसल्स में आप उसी से ही स्मच कर सकते हो. यू डोंट नीड अ सेपरेट ब्रश फॉर इट. बट हाँ, अगर आपको लग रहा है कलर ज़्यादा लग गया है एंड यू नीड अ लाइटर टोन, देन यू कैन यूज़ अ डिफरेंट ब्रश टू ब्लेंड.
Okay, perfect. And how's the Forever 52 gel eyeliner?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Okay, perfect.
Always try to measure your lashes. Like वो बड़ी हैं, छोटी हैं, कैसी हैं, so that you can cut accordingly.
Komal, how are the Plume brushes?
Which one?
The Plume, or it's Plum.
Plum. Okay, I haven't used it yet, so I can't say about it. I've used PAC का Morphe, CS Essential, London Pride, Cuffs and Lashes brushes. I use these brushes, so they are all perfectly fine for me because they have natural bristles. We can wash it easily. Everything.
Could you show the lashes of yours? I just want to see that. Okay.
I'm using this Miss Claire का lash glue that is in black color.
Okay. And could you also tell us about like any tips that they can use to prevent colors from smudging over the eyes or getting mixed up?
No, it won't, because the steps I've used, if you're using this technique, I can guarantee आपका eye makeup smudge नहीं होगा, फैलेगा नहीं. If you're using the same steps. Now I'm applying the lashes just over the lash line. एक पतला brush देना. जल्दी दीजिए. कोई ब्रश ले लिया.
And Komal, what's the starting point of applying the lashes? Like, where do we put it first?
You should always start from the back. I usually do that because sides में even दोनों sides में black से लगाते हुए आप front पे कर सकते हो, because उससे क्या होता है, and try to hold with it a brush, because अगर हम ऐसे नहीं करते हैं तो sides दोनों उठती हैं, right? तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. दूसरी lashes
And do we need to apply mascara before the lashes?
afterwards. We'll do in the final way.
Okay, perfect. Ladies, do trim your lashes if it is bigger for your eye.
So on the other eye also. Brush देना नहीं.
हाँ जी.
छोटे देना नहीं.
हाँ जी.
Always try to press with the brush so that आपकी lashes नहीं वो हो. I hope we are clear till now.
Yes. And lastly, Komal, a quick like recap of the eyes and then we move forward to the base.
Sorry.
Yes, sorry, Komal. We just do a quick recap of the eye makeup
Okay.
and then we go to the base.
Okay, I'd applied the base from the Carlon palette, then set it with the beauty blender. Then I'd applied a loose powder. Okay. Then I started with the eyeshadow. First I've used Huda Beauty Remastered palette with the darker purple tone. And then on the inner side I used Mercury matte shade that is in white, off-white color. Then I applied a shimmery pink color. from the same Mercury palette. Is that clear, everyone? Then I use the silver one above the eyelashes. Sorry, on the eye makeup. Sorry.
Okay, perfect. And yes, we can go ahead from here. Ladies who don't have eyelashes, you can use mascara.
Mascara to do it. Yeah, you can do with the mascara. Then afterwards, I put a little darker purple on the outer side and used a liner, thin line of liner to enhance her eyes.
Yes.
Then I applied lashes. अगर आपके पास lashes नहीं है तो आप mascara कर लो directly with the liner.
Okay. Any suggestion for magnetic glue for lashes?
I think if you're comfortable using that, you can. I haven't used it yet, so
Okay, no
can't say
problem.
because काफ़ी करते हैं self makeup के लिए, they use it, apply it very easily. But being a makeup artist, I haven't tried yet, so I can't say.
Okay, perfect. Let's move ahead.
Okay. Full eyes, full. Full दोनों पर.
Okay, Batul, don't worry. We will be doing the mascara towards the end, so you can do it at that.
Yeah, you do that time, no worries. Now I'm cleaning the face, whatever the leftover is, I'm just wiping off. You can see बहुत कुछ गिरता है, इसलिए I never usually, I start with the eye base first. वीडियो भी बना रही है, ऐसे नहीं तो पिक्चर चाहिए. ठीक है, वीडियो इसकी भी बना रही, लैपटॉप की लगी हुई है यहाँ करने के लिए. Okay, see, you can see the wet wipe. This is all fall off from the eyeshadow. Moving further, now I'll be using this Zobha face oil, drops of glow for her moisturize, prepping her skin. So now I'm prepping her skin properly because आपने देखा मैंने clean कर दिया, तो जो moisturizer जितना skin के अंदर चला गया था that was fine, वो स्किन में चला गया था. ठीक है, बट अगर मॉइस्चराइज़र अगर आप पहले प्रेपिंग कर लोगे तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये सारे सीरम प्राइमर सब हट जाएगा बिकॉज यू क्लीनिंग दैट पोर्शन ना. सो पहले हाइड्रेशन के लिए हमने मॉइस्चराइज कर लिया था फेस. नाउ आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस ऑयल ड्रॉप्स ऑफ ग्लो. इसकी एक वीडियो बना लो. आई एम यूजिंग दिस ड्रॉप्स ऑफ ग्लो फ्रॉम जोबा लाइफ. दिस इज़ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र. आई ऑलवेज यूज इट फॉर माई ब्राइड्स एज वेल. इट्स वेरी गुड. It gives a very sheen and glossy effect. On the neck area also. And now I am applying with the same brush.
Any alternative oil that they can use?
Lover का glass oil and color bar का face oil you can use. I think we have it in Forever 52 में भी oil है, आप वो भी use कर सकते हो.
Ladies, do stick towards the end as we have something special for you. Can we use the Fasali oil?
Which one? Farsali. Yeah, Farsali also is good. Indulge oil is also good. You can use those as well.
Okay, perfect. Wow. And what about for oily skin people? Do they need to use an oil?
Sorry?
Do oily skin people need to use an oil?
Little lesser quantity. You need to, but little lesser quantity. Now next I'll be using CS Essential का brush देना moisturizer. After the oil, I'm using this moisturizer. because you have a extra dry skin, और but these steps are needed because अगर आपको base flawless करना है तो you need these steps. Otherwise makeup flawless नहीं patchy लगेगा. So these are the steps, and these steps are needed for prepping your skin. अब ये मत सोचो कि ऑयली स्किन है तो नहीं लगाना, ऐसा नहीं है, आपको लगाना पड़ेगा तभी फ्लॉलेस इफेक्ट आएगा. होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर.
Yes, yes. They just want to know they don't have a oil, what can they use?
Oil, I think they should have a oil now. I would suggest please keep an oil in your vanity, any budget friendly oil. Lovers का आता है, I think it's 599 rupees and it's worth buying that. Color Bar का आता है, it's I think 750 का, उसकी quantity भी ज़्यादा है, it's worth buying that. So oil होना चाहिए. If you don't have an oil तो आप moisturizer use कर लो. फेस ऑयल तो आजकल बहुत इजी है, होना चाहिए बिकॉज आप अपना फेस मॉइस्चराइज करते हो, स्कल्प करते हो, तो यू शुड हैव अ ऑयल फॉर योर पर्सनल यूज़ ऑल्सो. ये मिथ है कि ऑयली स्किन है तो हम नहीं यूज़. आई एम हैविंग अ बैड ऑयली स्किन, आई यूजली गेट एक्ने हियर, देन ऑल्सो आई अप्लाई माई मेकअप बिफोर, लाइक आई यूज एन ऑयल. इट गिव्स अ फ्लॉलेस इफेक्ट.
And what would your suggestion be for which oil to use?
Lover, Kalaba, Jobha Life, these are all budget friendly oils because Farsali I think थोड़ा सा higher range हो जाता है. So Indulgio you can use. If you don't have an oil, just moisturize your face and start with a primer.
Okay.
And now I'm using Photo Finish Smashbox का primer.
Yes, so Shruti, you can, she's asking when do we use an oil, like in general?
Everyday makeup also you should use it. I would suggest everyday makeup also.
Also, there were few brands they want to know, I'll just take it up. So, Nykaa, MAC, Lakme, how are these brands for oils?
लैक्मे इज़ गुड. मैक का तो ऑब्वियसली अच्छा ही है. उसकी मास्टर स्ट्रोक क्रीम यूज़ कर सकते हो आप. मैक की मास्टर स्ट्रोक क्रीम आती है, स्ट्रोब क्रीम, दैट यू कैन यूज़ फॉर प्रेपिंग योर स्किन. बट आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट कि ऑयल ज़रूरी होना चाहिए. सो ऑयल में आप बेस्ट इज़ इंडल्जियो, लवर्थ का ग्लास ऑयल, बिकॉज लवर्थ का जो ग्लास ऑयल मैं बार बार इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर ऑयली स्किन ऑल्सो. आई एम हैविंग अ ग्रेट ऑयली स्किन एंड आई एम पर्सनली यूजिंग इट.
Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead.
Yeah.
Also, ladies, a quick announcement. I also know that we have our monthly workshop members with us. So, ladies, please do stay towards the end because we do have a scholarship quiz prepared for you, and also we have a bonus Q&A. So, please stay towards the end. And yes, let's move forward.
Okay, now we have this orange corrector from this camouflage palette of Forever 52 for her dark circles. नॉर्मली पिगमेंटेशन जहाँ होती है, जहाँ पे भी जिसको लगता है कि फाउंडेशन ग्रे होती है, हम वहाँ ये ऑरेंज करेक्टर थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाएंगे. आई नो इनका दिख नहीं रहा है बट आफ्टर द फाउंडेशन दिखेगा, इसलिए मैं लगा रही हूँ. दिस स्टेप इज अ मस्ट. Now with the, yeah,
Sorry. Those who apply oil in the foundation, do they need to do this step?
no. If you're applying it before, you don't need to mix the foundation with the oil. So now with the same small beauty blender, I'm just dabbing it.
Are you going to be applying kajal?
Yeah, we will after the base.
Towards the end, yes.
Yeah.
So, Neha, you will be doing that.
First you need to set your base, na, then only you will do the other steps.
Yes, perfect. Yes, so ladies, it is the Forever 52 Camouflage palette. I've already mentioned it in the comment section.
Now I'll be using the same Krylon ka Beauty blender, that is beauty blender brand only. Beauty blender, there is a brand beauty blender. I can share some of the reference. Like you can use London Pride के small beauty blenders आ रहे हैं, पैक के आते हैं, Forever 52 के आते हैं, so you can use these are good. Forever 52 is good, very good. So I'm using this, the little darker shade from this Kryolan Bridal Palette for her under eye, above the orange concealer. Okay, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने orange corrector लगाया वहाँ वहाँ.
Okay, and what is the use of a Nykaa essential oil?
Which one?
The Nykaa essential oil. What is
Essential oils are not for makeup base. I will not recommend those. Those are for treatments. Like they have lavender, I think different variety tea tree oil. Those are for your skin treatments. Those are not for your prepping, for your before makeup oils. If they have a, I don't know about it properly, but अगर उसमें rose oil है, glow skin oil है, then only you can use it. Actually, I can suggest which I have tried and tested. I can't suggest the other ones. These essential oils aroma में भी आते हैं, तो those are for treatments only. Those are not for makeup based oils. Now again with a small beauty blender, I am just dabbing it. ये मैंने डार्क कंसीलर कहाँ कहाँ लगाया था, जहाँ जहाँ मुझे ऑरेंज मैंने करेक्ट किया था, वहाँ वहाँ मैं उसको सेम को डार्क कलर से थोड़ा सा डार्क कर रही हूँ.
Can they use serum instead of facial oil?
No. You can use, it depends, like it depends to skin type. Facial oil सब skin में absorb हो जाता है. सीरम किसी की स्किन पे फ्लेकी इफेक्ट दे देता है. सीरम सबको सूट नहीं करता है. So I will not recommend it. Some serums are too good. Some serums are just for skin care routine. They create a layer. और अगर आपका लेयर आ गया तो आपका मेकअप सेट नहीं होगा.
And after you finish blending, Komal, can you show us the shade of the camera? The concealer shade.
This is this shade from the same bridal palette. I think it's B3, 0B3, the darker one. Now you can see I corrected her skin. जहाँ जहाँ मुझे लग रहा था कि पिगमेंटेशन हो सकता है, वो सब ना एक फाइन कलर हो गया है. Now I will apply a foundation. Okay, this is the step. जो कहते हैं ना कि ग्रे हो रही है स्किन, ग्रे नहीं होगी अगर आप ये स्टेप यूज कर रहे हो तो. इफ यू डूइंग दीज टू स्टेप, देन नो ग्रे कवरेज वुड बी देयर सीन आफ्टर योर बेस.
Okay, yes, Sangeeta, the shade is O3, the palette name. I think you're asking me that, right? So mention it in the comment section.
Now I'll be using this Makeup Forever HD foundation. Okay, I'm mixing two shades. One is 345 and other is Y245. I'm mixing a dark and light to create a shade. Always try to keep two shades, one lighter tone and the darker tone, to mix a shade to create a good matching shade for her skin. And always I usually try to create a darker tone because I feel like कि थोड़ा सा मुझे एक टोन मैचिंग रखना अच्छा लगता है. I don't keep it more fair, more light, you know.
Oh, sorry, Komal, my network went for a little. So you use the HD Makeup Forever, right?
HD Makeup Forever. One shade is Y345 and other is Y245. One is darker and one is lighter.
Got
always keep in your vanity one shade dark, one shade light, so that you can mix and match the foundation. ऐसा ना हो कि आपको इतने सारे, देखो सबकी स्किन अलग है, मेरी अलग है, मेरा नेक अलग है, इनकी स्किन अलग है, माई टीम स्किन इज़ डिफरेंट, एवरी स्किन इज़ अ डिफरेंट शेड. सो आप इतने सारे शेड्स तो नहीं रखोगे, जस्ट कीप टू, वन darkest and the lightest, so that you can just mix and use it.
Ladies, my team is going to make a quick announcement. Christy, you can go ahead.
Okay, hi everyone. So I know you guys are enjoying the session, but all those workshop attendees, please stay till the end. We have a quiz upcoming, alright, and we will be unlocking the certification as well. So please be there, and I'll see you in the quiz then. Okay?
Thank you, Srishti. Hoping to see you soon. Okay.
So I'm applying the foundation.
Can we put a pimple patch to cover the acne and then put the foundation?
Yeah, you can do that. आजकल डॉक्टर बेलमोंट के आ रहे हैं पिम्पल पैच, आप कर सकते हो वो भी.
Right.
If it's a high bump, then only it's needed. Otherwise, it's not needed. On the neck area also, you need to apply the foundation. We'll do it afterwards. First, I'll just blend with the beauty blender. I'm using this Forever 52 ka beauty blender. Just you need to dab it very softly.
And what is your recommendation for foundation for brides?
NARS, Makeup Forever, Huda Beauty, Dior Backstage foundation. But if any bride is having a little patchy and very बहुत सारे marks हैं, clear skin नहीं है, तो I will suggest Huda Beauty foundation होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. That is the best foundation I had tried, because वो लगा के ना एकदम स्किन ठीक हो जाती है उनकी ब्राइड्स की. बिकॉज यू नीड, ऑब्वियसली ब्राइड को सब कुछ छुपाना होता है, राइट? पिगमेंटेशन भी हटनी चाहिए. तो इफ़ आई विल सजेस्ट कि हुडा ब्यूटी इज़ द बेस्ट वन फॉर ब्राइडल मेकअप.
And the beauty blender is wet or damp?
इट्स अ डैम्प ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर.
Okay.
ऑलवेज वी कांट यूज़ द ड्राई वन, वो पूरा अब्जॉर्ब कर लेगी फाउंडेशन. ऑलवेज यूज़ अ डैम्प ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर.
Ladies, I hope everyone is enjoying so far. Please do stick towards the end. And I'm so happy to see so many people in this book. Everyone is looking super gorgeous. Now that the base has also come ahead. Wow.
You just need to dab it very easily, very slightly, not much. Brush there है कि neck के लिए? Left over you can always use it in the neck area. पैलेट भी दे दूँ. हमने अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज किया था, यू रिमेंबर. नेक को भी इसीलिए किया था, ऑयल भी लगाया ताकि ये अच्छे से फाउंडेशन लग जाए. इट शुड ऑलवेज मैच योर स्किन ना, ऐसा ना हो कि वो अलग लग रहा हो, ये अलग लग रहा हो.
Yes. And according to you, how many pumps do you require fixing palette for the
3-4, it depends on the coverage also. 3-4. I'm using any buffing brush you can use for the neck. easily अच्छे से लग जाता है. तो आपको ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगेगा, इसमें थोड़ा सा जल्दी हो जाएगा. मैं ज़्यादा क्विक तो नहीं हो रही हूँ गर्ल्स? होप यू मैचिंग मी.
Maybe the reason it's not like too fast to be honest, Komal, but we do need to wrap up soon.
Okay.
So, yes. So, ladies,
So
I
what
hope
time
you-
till we need to wrap up?
Okay, so I think by 1:30 we can.
Okay.
Get back to you.
Yeah, I'm almost done. Some few of the things are left. So don't worry, we'll make it.
We go little slow, yes, Mahi, don't worry, we go little slow.
See, we can do one thing if you need to wrap up it early now, so we can do the question answers afterwards. First, let me finish the because वो बीच में वो जो हो रहा है उससे थोड़ा सा late हो रहा है,
Okay,
right?
perfect.
Yeah.
You can go ahead.
I'm using this Tarte का concealer. Shade is light neutral to highlight her skin. ठीक है? बेस पूरा क्लियर हुआ है उनका. अब मैं बस इसका हाईलाइट के लिए यूज करूंगी. All the T-zone area. I hope I'm clear till now.
Yes, ladies, is everything clear? Please mention in the comment section.
इससे ना आपका नेचुरल फीचर्स एनहांस हो जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ आई एम विद द सेम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. आई एम जस्ट डैबिंग इट.
The shade name of the Tarte concealer.
Light neutral.
Okay.
And if you don't have a light this concealer Tarte का, तो budget friendly I can recommend one or two. One is Maybelline का Age Rewind concealer. One is Forever 52. These two are bomb if you don't want to invest in Tarte. Otherwise, one is Milani का concealer. Like I'm telling, according to the budget friendly also, like, so if you want to invest in good ones you can, if you want to invest in the lesser one you can.
Okay. So yes, she's not applied a concealer for the whole face. Only the points where she wanted to highlight, she's already shown that. So don't worry about it.
आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द कंसीलर मेक श्योर एक भी क्रीज लाइन नहीं होनी चाहिए. और आप उसमें फिर आपको बस ये पाउडर अप्लाई करना है, ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर या एनी बेकिंग पाउडर, एंड ताकि यहाँ पे क्रीज लाइंस क्रिएट ना हो. ओके गर्ल्स,
Yes.
ऊपर देखो नीचे नहीं दिखाना होगा. ठीक है, पाउडर देना होगा. सो आई एम यूजिंग हुडा ब्यूटी ट्रांसलूसेंट बेकिंग पाउडर banana bread. Okay, and I'm just dabbing it under our eye. This is called baking. If you don't want to do baking, you can just use, if you don't have a loose powder, you can use it with your compact and just set it.
Wow. Face is looking so amazing.
Yeah, and also on the smile lines you can just set it little. I hope everything is clear till now. Face straight, face straight.
Do like this now.
फेस स्ट्रेट के लिए उनको देखो ना, आप ऊपर देख रहे हो या नीचे भी देखो उसके बाद पीछे नाउ. अब इनका बेस बेक हो रहा है, तो अब हम आफ्टर दिस बेकिंग ओनली आई डू द अंडर आईज बिकॉज आई कैन टेक रिस्क फॉर माई बेस. ओके, बेकिंग के ऊपर पाउडर अच्छे से सेट है, सो आई कैन now do the under eye area, but now before that I'll be using this eyebrow palette. Loose powder is this one, Huda Beauty Banana Bread. I'm using this L'Oreal की eyebrow palette to define her brows. नीचे से एक लाइन मैंने लिया, ऊपर से एक लाइन लिया. now मैं उसी को ही blend करूँगी.
The eyebrow palette is from
L'Oreal.
Yes. Got it.
फेस स्ट्रेट करना, फेस स्ट्रेट उधर देखो. सी हाउ डिफरेंट इट लुक. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट करो, आईब्रोज का आप राइट करो, बिल्कुल राइट. आईब्रोज का देख रहे हो कितना इफेक्ट पड़ जाता है.
Yes. So, Komal, do you recommend powdering the full face?
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर. अब I'll dust ना वो पूरा फेस हो जाएगा.
Okay.
To set the base, it is needed also.
And the color is black or brown for the eyebrows?
It's brown.
Brown. Also, ladies, I'll be spotlighting one member for a look review, so please do stay tuned for that as well. Okay, ladies, so the eyebrow palette is from L'Oreal, and is it a matte or a wax palette? Which one?
It has both. It depends आपको कैसे यूज़ करना है. सिर्फ डार्कर वैक्स वाला भी है, पाउडर्ड भी है. So if some areas are needed, wax is needed, so we can put that as well.
And lastly, which brush are you using?
I'm using this Color Brush angular brush. You can use any angular brush for eyebrows.
The one-day workshop members, please do stay towards the end. The quiz is prepared for you, so please do stay. I hope everyone is loving the look so far. Ladies, please put it in the comment section. How are you enjoying the session so far?
Now I'm using this in color का lip pencil for her eye. थोड़ा सा actually I want to give a burgundy eyes in lower lash line, so I'll just use it as a kajal. This is in color का long lasting pencil. Number is 02. Because eyes ऊपर पर्पल की हैं तो हम पर्पल ही थोड़ा टोन देना चाहते हैं. If you don't have this color, you can use any brown color.
Can they use a black kajal?
Yeah, you can use the black kajal as well. Now I'm using this Huda Beauty ka Ruby Obsession. I'm using this maroon burgundy sa shade. If you don't have this maroon shade, you can use the brown one as well.
Okay. And which brush is that?
This is Pack 202 smudging brush.
The palette is from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession, ladies. On the lip brush, she's not yet come to the lips
Now I'm using this again, Huda Beauty Desert Rose, and I'm using the same saffron shade to blend it on her lower lash line. To give a depth effect, no? We are enhanced her under eyes because ऊपर की eyes हमने बहुत subtle look रखी है, तो we are just enhancing. Now with the nude one, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको set करूँगी यहाँ पर, कुछ excess जो इधर उधर निकल रहा है, I'll just smudge it. This process is done after baking only. So if you are like, you know, if you are not doing baking, you should do baking and then start doing this.
Komal, can you give us a quick close-up? We just
Sure.
see when we do it.
नहीं उठाओ लैपटॉप को पास से दिखाओ. अच्छा यहाँ से पकड़ना लैपटॉप.
Can we also use the white tool?
Yeah, you can use it if you know need it. Straight देखो क्या है, सीधा eyes open करो. Eyes close. Open. थोड़ा सा ऐसे left. Open करना ऊपर देखो. Now you can see girls. ऊपर देखो. Hope everything is visible.
Yes. Wow. Ladies, can you see it?
If you want to enhance, we can use a brown or black kajal also. I think I'll do that also to give a very defined effect, no?
And also the topic that we're using as for support, where did you get that from and what's the name?
It's normal perfect. You can get any cosmetic shop. So like it becomes easy. Like base खराब नहीं होता है.
Okay, correct.
I think close up is fine now.
Yes, yes, perfect. Thank you so much, Komal. Ladies, look at the glow of the skin. Like, look at the base. Like, I'm so like happy to see this look, and I'm so happy to see our members doing it along as well. Everyone is doing a beautiful job.
I'm using this Recode का काजल, okay? So I wanted to give a good kajal effect also. So I was trying कि अगर burgundy eyes में काजल कैसा लगता है बिना उसके, तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है eyes के साथ ज़्यादा enhance कर रहा है.
Yes.
काजल तो you know that कि काजल से enhance होता है. यार ये इसको sharp करके दो, जो sharp में है नहीं fraud करा दिया. हम लोग ये थी करके जो stupid things करते हैं.
Ladies also know that I'm noticing everyone doing the looks. I'm going to choose one member. So I hope everyone's excited
पानी आ
for
रहा है.
that.
देखो उसके हाथ में पानी आने लग गया. तुम लोग तो वेट करते हो, मैं भी दिखाऊंगी. शॉपिंग करके नहीं दे सकते.
Yes, so Neha, we will take that towards the end. Kamal, before using the burgundy eyeshadow, can you show that pencil, like the color up front in the camera? If possible?
Which one?
The pencil that you use.
Burgundy वाला.
Color, then, yeah, the end color one.
This one.
Yes. Ladies, I hope you can see it. Yes.
It's a normal burgundy color. But now मैंने उसके ऊपर काजल कर दिया ना.
Okay, wow.
Because I मुझे ऐसे लगा कि काजल से थोड़ा और enhance हो जाएगा. Powder brush दे दो. ये brush इधर ही भी रखती है सारी. Now with the same powder brush, I'm using this Morphe का M536. I'm using this. I'm setting the base. Okay. मैं मैं जितना एक्सेस पाउडर अंडर आई में लगा था मैं सारा हटा रही हूँ और उसी ब्रश से ना पूरे फेस को सेट कर रही हूँ. आपको स्पेशली सेट नहीं करना है, फिर आप उसी पाउडर से आप उसको सेट कर सकते हो.
Oh, you're giving such a good vibe. Even I want to change my makeup and do the look.
Wow, thank you so much.
It was such a peaceful session. I hope everyone else was also enjoying along, like
Yeah.
how I did.
Yeah, I need a feedback and I need all mentioning in my stories, girls. So please tag me.
Yes, ladies, see, now we got a good, like, like lighting and everything. Please take photographs, okay? I want to see everyone taking photographs. Wow.
Yeah.
I can see Sonia also done with the look. Wow.
And I am using this Forever 52 की contour palette and this brush is contour brush from CS Essential. Okay, face ऐसे करना. So always try to make a fish face and create a line here. थोड़ा सा face पतला लगता है इससे ना. You can use a liquid contour as also. It depends on you totally. Straight करना. Again, फिर
So,
से.
ladies, I'm putting the Instagram handle in the comment section. Don't worry. The contour palette is the Forever 50.
Forever 52, yes. Straight. Also on the nose. Okay. Closer बना लिया इसकी.
हाँ जी.
अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ लगाया था बट नाउ विद द फ्लफी एंगुलर ब्रश आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट. अगेन करना फिश फेस. थोड़ा साइड कर दो. नाउ यू कैन सी गर्ल्स जस्ट ब्लेंड इट. थोड़ा सा ना फेस पतला हो जाता है. फीचर्स एनहांस हो जाते हैं. स्ट्रेट. और आपको दिख रहा होगा मेकअप इतना ओवर नहीं है ना, पैची लुक आ रहा है या कुछ है, बहुत सटल लुक है.
And the pressure that you're applying is like very mild, right?
या आई डोंट थिंक आपको फील हो रहा है कुछ. आई डोंट थिंक वो लगता है. Again, fish face.
Yes, ladies, we'll take few questions towards the end, so don't worry.
Yeah, we are almost done with the contour also.
Wow.
Okay. I'm using this Faces का blush Glare 01 and this is powder brush, blusher brush from CS Essential. Smile. As you told me, it's like we need to wind it up, so I'm doing it a little faster.
No worries. You can go a little slow, don't worry. As long as everyone is following. Satya, Gurpreet, I'm enjoying looking at everyone's looks. Wow. Loving the energy over here.
Hope students are also enjoying the session.
I hope everyone is even following because see, ladies in the industry, you also need to be a little quick. So I hope this was.
I'm just putting little, थोड़ा सा मैंने enhance करने के लिए यहाँ पे powder डाल रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा to give lifted effect ना.
And the shade that you use from the Forever 52 palette, does it have a name?
The contour one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll just tell.
Yes, yes. We'll show it to you, ladies.
Show me for contour palette. This is SHC001. SHC001. And also I want to tell you guys, Vedya, we also have Forever 52 products in our store at Glam Factory. So if any student needs, they can DM us. We can just courier them.
Wow. So, ladies, did you hear that?
And for my Air Black students, I can offer 10% discount. So you can also just tell me that you are my student. Then we'll give good
So,
discount.
ladies, after the session, head on to Glam Factory by Komal. I've already mentioned the Instagram handle. So, you can, get a 10% discount as mentioned. Just mention that you are a student of Komal.
I'm using this Nivea lip balm to hydrate her lips. Blend करना. I'm using this for her inner corners. I'm using this Amethyst Obsession Huda Beauty palette. You can use any whatever you want, like it depends, or you can highlight it with the highlighter also. For her inner corners I'm doing this. Also I'm having this Forever 52 का liquid shimmer FLE052, तो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा enhance करने के लिए hand पे ले रही हूँ. Any liquid shimmer you can use, and I'm just dabbing on her eyes please to just enhance look के लिए.
The Huda Beauty was the Ace Obsession one, right? That purple one.
Amethyst Obsession, yeah.
Yes.
I'm using this Master Chrome from Maybelline highlighter for her brow bone. Now I'm wipe the open करना lips. Press करो इसमें. I'll wipe the lip balm properly. पूरा properly लगाया भी नहीं lip balm. Blend भी नहीं कर पाएगी ये. मेरे को नहीं खाई नहीं. फिर से अपना इसको blend करना है, ठीक है? अच्छे से हाँ ऐसे.
The Forever 52 liquid shimmer that you had mentioned is 01, right?
Wait. FLE052.
052.
हाँ. Okay, now I'll be using this Love Earth का lip tint. इसकी वीडियो बना लो. Multi-pot lip tint for her lips. Okay. It's kind of a multi-pot. This can be used as an eyeshadow, as a lipstick, as a blusher also on everyday purpose. I'm using as a lipstick today.
Yes, so ladies, for the highlighter, she used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. That's the shade B. It's the golden one. So you can
It's
check
a peach, this one, pink one, rose gold one, rose
it.
gold.
There's a rose gold, the rose gold. Yes. So which shade of lipstick can they go for this look?
Any nude, mauvish nude you can go.
Ladies, one more quick announcement. Please do stay back, ladies, for till the end of the session as we have a special quiz. So please don't go anywhere. Hoping to see all of you. And what is the name of the lip brush that you're using?
I'm using this Precision One brush CS Essential.
Okay.
Kiss and tell.
Kiss and tell.
For the final look, you can just use a gloss also. Any gloss you have.
And also like besides which gloss are you using?
I'm using this Miss Claire ka normal glossy transparent. You can use any brand, whichever you have. Forever, Fenty, any. Lotus, Color Bar.
So you not added anything besides the lip tint and
No,
the-
nothing like that. No.
Wow. Look at the lips, ladies. It's just a lip tint and a lip gloss.
I wanted to keep it very neutral, no? Because
Yes. And I
Not-
think this is very light as well, right?
yeah.
Wow.
Open करना है इस.
Wow, so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's glowing. So I think the model has enjoyed the look, right?
Yeah. And now I am using the makeup fixer. Okay. Like this. एक मिनट को देखो. आई ऐसे मत करना. मस्कारा दे दो. मुझे हाईलाइट करने की से देना.
Ladies, look at the look. I am so happy to see this look. Okay, so the lip tint is the multi-pot one kiss and tell Ayushi. Yeah, so I'll be taking now few questions once all is done. Yes.
Always I try to highlight with after the fixing spray. Let it set first. Open करना है. So on her brow bone. I think face I need to keep little. Already it's dewy, so I don't want to put more highlighter. I want to keep it little matte.
Wow. So do we need the makeup to settle in or we can do it immediately?
So let it absorb first. So then only after it dries out.
Okay. So yes, Geetika, you can let it dry out for a little while and then you can go ahead.
Hope you guys are loving the look. फटाफट की जल्दी.
Yes, I hope everyone is loving this look.
Now the last part, mascara, because I just sprayed it. अब वो dry हो गया face, so then I'll use it. Open. I'm using Maybelline का Lash Sensation mascara. You can use any mascara, ऐसा नहीं है. See, आपको practice करनी है. Practice के लिए आप कुछ भी product से ये same look create कर सकते हो. I know products matter करते हैं, but नीचे नहीं देखना, ऊपर देखना. But you can do it with any of the product, any of the same technique should be there. आपका ऐसे ही flawless look आएगा. जब आपके पास like आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ अब मेरे पास इतने हैं कि now I can invest on the products, good ones, then you invest. But practice के लिए आप कोई भी product use कर सकते हो.
Ladies, please don't go anywhere after the look is done. Please do stay.
Mascara is done.
Yes, for lower lashes, so you applied it.
Yeah, we have it.
Can you just show us a close-up?
Yeah, I will do that.
Yes, so can you go party now?
बस लैपटॉप उठाकर ना क्लोज अप करते
So they can use the white coal as well, right?
हैं. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
It's their choice. अगर small eyes है तो try to use white only. तो eyes थोड़ी बड़ी लगती हैं, enhance कर जाती हैं.
Wow.
Wait, एक मिनट. Now you can see the close-up look. अब left, straight देखो, उनको देखो.
Ladies, look at the look.
Left, सीधा, right. Open. उनको दिखाओ सामने.
Just look at the blending and look how flawless the eye makeup is.
straight, face straight. Yeah. Eyes down. Open. Okay. अच्छा.
Wow, perfect, perfect.
Yeah, jewelry बनाओ.
We're loving the look, Komal. You've done an amazing job. She's
Thank
looking
you.
so
Thank you
stunning.
so
And
much.
we loved how you were enjoying the look. You could see it. Like a lot of energy. Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Look at now they're going to be adding the jewelry, ladies.
Yeah, till then you can just we can just answer the question answers also. अभी तक आ जाओ.
Okay, so Komal, there was a question by a member that she said whenever she applies makeup,
Final
she
में तो
puts a
बराबर
lot of.
Yeah, tell me. Sorry.
Sorry, no, sorry, I'm sorry. So there was a member who said that when she applies makeup, she gets sick and she gets colds, like cold-like symptoms. So is there like an allergic reaction?
So she's not using the right product which are suiting her. Something 1% is missing. I think she should consult a dermat for this. Firstly, कि why या just survey कि ये कोई product ऐसा use करें which has something which is not suiting her skin. So उससे maybe हो रहा हो.
Okay.
Maybe one product would be there और पूरा makeup पे blame हो गया है.
Right.
She
There
should.
might be some product that she is.
Yeah, she's allergic. दीप्ति को phone बज रहा है.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then could you tell us about the try-on foundations that are out there? How are they?
See, I would recommend these bridal base, this palette, bridal palette, which I had used it. You can create a good base, flawless base with this foundation or with this base also. Other foundation of Krylon I haven't used so far. I'd use this Supra, Derma and this bridal palette only. You can create a base with this palettes as well. But I would highly recommend if you wanna go for Huda Beauty, like for heavy bridal, you can go for Huda Beauty. One product, it's too good. And now the reasonable range of Forever 52, they are amazing. Because you know, after using these Forever 52, they are like, you know, they are compared to Huda Beauty products. Seriously, I feel that. Those are reasonable also, just for rupees 650 and too good.
And there were a lot of questions about other products that they can use for bridal makeup.
नीति आप कहाँ चले जाओ please? क्या? I'm so sorry, I just could not hear.
No worries. So could you tell us some affordable brands they can use for bridal makeup?
Forever 52. Trust me, because उसके आई shadows are amazing. उसकी palettes बहुत अच्छी हैं. उसकी फाउंडेशंस बहुत अच्छी हैं. उसका कोल काजल, ब्लशर, हाइलाइटर, एवरीथिंग. आपकी पूरी वैनिटी बन सकती है. आई थिंक 6-7,000 में.
मेरे पास नहीं है.
जो आपका मतलब पहले बनता था हुडा ब्यूटी का लाइक वन पैलेट इज फॉर 5,000, वो आपका सेम चीज़ 10,000 में एक अच्छी वैनिटी बन सकती है. एंड ऑब्वियसली सी ब्रांड इज अ ब्रांड, आई नो, एंड सबका एक ड्रीम होता है कि आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई दैट, आई वॉन्ट टू यूज दैट. सो वेन यू आर एबल टू इन्वेस्ट इन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स यू कैन.
Right. Absolutely. I think very well said. And also, Komal, they love the lipstick that you're wearing. So can you tell us the shade?
I don't remember actually, but I'll try to post on Instagram.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So I'll take a last question. Can you suggest some good lip palettes or bullet lipsticks that they can keep in their vanity?
See, firstly, I would highly suggest this Maybelline की lipsticks आती हैं 650 की Super Stay. Those are amazing. उसका रेड कलर बहुत अच्छा है. 650 की हैं. It's you know the best. हुडा की लिपस्टिक को भी कंपेयर करो तो उससे भी अच्छी हैं. सेकेंडली आई वुड सजेस्ट Forever 52. 549-600 की रेंज है. एंड Forever 52 का देयर इज अ लिप पैलेट ऑल्सो. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दैट एज वेल. आई थिंक दीज टू ब्रांड्स आर सफिशिएंट.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Komal, for this beautiful look.
You're welcome. Do you want to see a final look of hers?
Yes, please.
Please.
Sure.
इसको बिंदी बना दो ना.
हाँ जी.
Just give me 2 minutes. She's just coming.
Sure. And Komal, just contact
नहीं ये नहीं, ये वाली नथ पे नहीं है.
And let's just see you can take it forward from here. Ladies, please do stay back. Please don't leave. We'll be starting the quiz in 5 minutes. So please don't leave.
छोड़ देती है.
Okay, so let me choose my members. Now we are only one member. I think I'll go for Mahi. Okay. Mahi, just be ready. I'll spotlight you in a bit. I'm so sorry, ladies, since there's many people, I can only spotlight one person for now. We'll just wait for Komal. Okay, ladies, and I can do another thing since many of you did the look. We take a group snap, okay? So everyone come to the picture. Okay. Wow. Look at the outfit. Oh wow. Look at the
So it's a Ganesh Chaturthi look, so we thought of this, applying this bindi and nath also. Hope you guys are liking the look.
We really love the look, Komal. I think we all want to take a group snap. So can
Sure,
we-
sure.
Yes, so ladies, turn on your cameras. Let's go for a group shot in 3, 2, 1. Turn on the cameras.
वीडियो बना ले ऐसे फाइनल लुक की ना ऐसे बना ले
3, 2, 1. Wow, one more. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Thank you so much, Komal, and thank you, ladies, for doing the look so beautiful. We do one quick look review, Komal.
Yeah, sure. Do you want me to get her closer?
Yes, that would help. Wow, look at the bindi as well, guys. Look at the look. Wow. So flawless. This is so.
नीति आपको पकड़ना पड़ेगा ये.
So we have Mahi, Komal, look at her.
Hi, oh my god, so pretty. Very nice, very well done, Mahi.
Wow, really loving the look.
Loving your eye makeup done so beautifully.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Mahi. Please don't forget to take photographs. And ladies, now we begin the quiz in 2 minutes. Thank you so much, Komal. Once again, you were so
Sure.
great.
Sure.
Thank you. Please think about it.
Sure. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much, girls. Do tag me on Instagram, Glam Factory by Komal. Everyone, please do that.
Yes, thank you so